Hello guys. So in this session we are going to learn Kubernetes secrets with Helm chart with examples. So let's start. So first of all, in this Kubernetes secret are used to store sensitive data like password, tokens or key. So we can manage Kubernetes secret with Helm chart and a convenient and reusable way. Okay. So here below is example of how to use Kubernetes secret with a Helm chart. Okay, so first of all, what is Kubernetes secret? So Kubernetes secrets are objects designed to hold sensitive information and are encrypted with stored in Kubernetes API servers. And they provide a secure way to store and manage sensitive data without exposing it in plain text and in configurations. Okay. And they can be used in pods as environment variables or mounted as a files. Okay. So here the key concepts of these Kubernetes secrets. So there is a types of secrets is Kubernetes supports different types of secrets like Docker registry, service account token, and so on. And the encryption is secrets are based 64 encoded but not necessarily encrypted by default. So it is essential to configure encryption at rest of the Kubernetes API server to ensure the full security. Okay. So that's the Kubernetes secrets. Okay. Next is what is Helm chart. So as you know the what is Helm chart, but let's understand in short what is Helm chart. So a Helm chart is a collection of Kubernetes YAML resource like deployments, service, secrets, or etc. Okay, so that's describe an application or service, and Helm makes it easier to package, share, and deploy this application in Kubernetes cluster. Okay. So the Helm chart is values.yaml file, right? So values is Helm allow you define parameter in the values.yaml file which are injected into the templates. Then there is a templates folder when we create our Helm chart. So templates are Kubernetes manifest file that can dynamically render resource definition based on the values from values.yaml files. Okay. Or passed via command line argument during the deployment. Then there is a chart folder. Okay, so the charts.yaml file. A chart is a packaged collection of Kubernetes resources which include templates, values to render the resources. Okay, and it can include everything needed to deploy an application in this chart folder. Okay, so that's the Helm chart. Okay, right. So let's start here. Kubernetes secret with Helm chart with this example. Okay. So first of all, as you can see, here I mentioned the prerequisites. So in this prerequisite, first of all, we need to install Minikube, kubectl, and Helm. So here I have successfully installed Helm, kubectl, and Kubernetes. Okay. That's the two prerequisite here. Now let's start. So first of all, the first step is we need to create a Helm chart for this. So let's start by creating a simple Helm chart using the Helm create command. So the command is Helm create and my chart name is my app. So as you can see here, I have successfully created my app chart. If I run the ls command, as you can see, let's inside list. Now if I run the ls command, as you can see the folders, templates, charts, chart.yaml file, values.yaml file. Okay. Now the next is let's add Kubernetes secret to values file. So first step is to define the secret in your values.yaml file. So you can store the sensitive data like database credentials in the values.yaml file and the pass into the data to your templates. Okay. So let's edit your values.yaml file. Okay. So I'm using Nano Editor. Okay. And here I'm going to add my database password. So first of all, you need to mention secret, then database password, and then your password in double quote. As you can see here, I have added my secret in this values.yaml file. Okay. So you can add the secret like database password and whatever you want. Okay. So here I mentioned database password. Okay. In secret. So let's save the file and exit. Okay. Then after that, now the next is let's create a Kubernetes secret template. So next create a template for the secret in this templates directory in your Helm chart. So you will define how to secret is created using the values.yaml file. So first of all, let's create a secret.yaml file, but where? In this templates folder. So let's insert the template folder and let's create a secret.yaml file using sudo nano and the secret.yaml. Okay. Now let's add this data into our secret.yaml file. So first of all, let's add and then understand one by one. So first of all, API version v1, kind secret, metadata name include myapp.full name, secret, then labels include myapp name, type, and data, and here database password and values secret.database password. That means here the database password will it's given by values.yaml file, right? Here you can see values in value.values and secret database password. Okay, so we have successfully added in values.yaml file with this secret database password. Okay, so let's save the file and exit. Okay. Now, after that, next is let's update deployment to use the secret. So now that the secret is created, so you want to your app to consume it. So in your deployment, so refer to the secret. Okay. Now let's modify the deployment.yaml file. Okay. So let's open deployment.yaml file. Here is deployment.yaml file. So let's edit using nano editor. Okay. And here in this deployment.yaml file, so first of all, I'm going to remove this all. I'm going to remove my all deployment.yaml file and I'm going to replace with this code. So first of all, let's remove this and let's understand one by one. Now we are going to replace this deployment.yaml file with our YAML file. So that's why I'm going to remove this deployment.yaml file because I'm going to add my code. Okay, it's almost done. Now let's understand the deployment.yaml file. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to add this code here. Okay, so first of all, as you can see here, API version apps v1, kind, deployment, metadata include my app full name, replicas 1, selector match labels, then include my app, then templates. And in specs, first of all, container name, image. So as you can see, the image is Nginx and the example image replaced with your app image. Now the main is important here, environment, here, env. Name is database password, values form, secret key refer. Name include myapp.full secret and the key is database password. Okay. Now let's save the file and exit. Okay. It's done. We have successfully created our deployment.yaml file. Now the next step is let's install the chart. So once you have everything set up, you will install your Helm chart and deploy the secret and the application. So let's copy the command. So the command is like that: Helm install my app dot colon and your app name. Okay, so let's copy the command. And first of all, you need to exit from the whole directory, and after that, you can install this chart. Now let's enter the command. As you can see here, first of all, name my app last deploy data and typing namespace default, right? And the status is deploy revision 1. In notes, you can see the pods and so on. Okay, and you can see the visit to this particular port number and so on. Okay, now it's done. Now this will create the, you can see this will create the secret with the database password and create the deployment with the app that uses the secret. Okay, so let's verify the secret and deployment using this following command kubectl get secrets. So as you can see, our secret name, my app secret type, data, and age is 41 seconds ago. Okay. Then let's verify that deployment is running correctly or not. So let's check the deployment, kubectl get deployment. So as you can see, the name is my app, ready 1 of 1, up to date 1, available 1, and the age is 61 seconds ago. Okay, right. Then it's done. Now you can also check the environment variable in your pods. Okay, so first of all, let's run the command kubectl get pods. Okay, and now let's run this command. You can also check the environment variables in your pods. So let's check the pods and you will get your password here. Okay. Now as you can see, your password is database password, my secure password, right? Right? That we have successfully added in values.yaml file. That's it. Right? So that's it. So in this session, we have learned Kubernetes secret with Helm chart with example. So thank you for watching and I hope you understand.